Hello everybody, this is Jonathan over at MalwareBuster, and today we're going to take a look at the last two scans that we have. We have the standard scan and the quick scan. The standard scan is going to scan the most common malware locations, as well as some of the more advanced ones, such as the deep registry. Eventually we will also have the rootkit scan, and that is still coming soon. Let's go ahead and jump into the standard scan. And it looks like it's finished. Let's see what we have here. So we can get a little bit of malware, and we do have another test file in here. I was hoping it would pick it up, and look, it did. So we're going to go ahead and just let it do the removal, and your scan has been finished. So let's go ahead and go on to the next scan that we're going to do, and that is going to be the quick scan. This one should be a little bit quicker. And it looks like that one picked up real quick here, and it did detect 0 items. So it looks like that is going to be the end of this video for today. Thank you for watching this video by MalwareBuster.